Why? What do you have to do to get that achievement? I deleted it. Ow. I think I have that game too. If you call that a game, Rover Mechanic or whatever. Other than that, how you been? And you're not changing the subject. Flip. Better flip. I want to see. I want to see a flip. Still smoky in here. Why is the... What the hell did they do to this world?
Hunger caution.
Well, that's not good. They changed my game. Because now that's going to change the... This isn't going to be good at all. Because now my time is going to be... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Because yeah, that was over here before. Oh, this planet's not good. This is not good. Oh. Just as I thought I had something figured out. Now, if this is the way they're gonna have it, now I do have to do a time interval something of being on for 10 minutes and then off or something like that or whatever. Shit. Shit. Oh boy. Yeah, it's cool, except for moving a little bit quick. Oh boy. So, let's see here. All right, so new plan. This is where pretty much I need that IC10 stuff. I can't do daylight. No, I mean I could. I mean, I can change. Okay, no, it won't let me. It won't let me change that setting. I mean, you used to be able to change that, but as far as I know, it was just set for 1. But no, I mean, you can see they did move the planet. You know, we used to be like right up against the planet. Now they moved the planet over there, and so now we're pretty much just spinning around. So they definitely made this moon, I guess, more realistic or something. Set the greenhouse on fire. Okay, so what is it for this? I see tin. Gold, steel, electrum, solder. So I think I actually have all that. Yeah. Shit. I should probably. We're gonna keep this one seed, so at least we have 1 potato seed. That'll create 2 potatoes, 2 potatoes. This will create 1 wheat seed. So we're gonna keep the wheat seed. This will create 1 corn seed. Let's get a corn seed, even though I think we have a backup corn seed. Does this look... Oh, it's darker because we keep... Shit! Yeah, I played the Phasma. It's so smoky in here. Why is it smoky in here? Corn seed. We got plenty of corn seed then. Wheat seed. Potato seed. Yeah. Okay, this should be, I think, done. off. That's really going to do a number on the solar panels as well. Which means this is not going to be a good starting planet now for me. Probably means, and we're not close enough to being able to fly off this planet either. Oh, not good, not good. Okay, not a good update. Not a good update. I mean, I could technically revert back to the original. I could revert back to the. I could go back to original and not play on beta. Since we haven't actually gotten... No. Huge overhaul of engine resulted in massive optimizations being tested on the beta range, which we did see the optimization. That definitely, performance improvement, Stationeers Vulcan base, evil cows on Europa, which we're not on Europa, whatever. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll see if the stuff starts going. Possibly that is true. I mean, that is true. And, I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean our stuff's gonna die. I mean... I just definitely gonna make things more difficult, though. Tomato seed. I should have grabbed that other wheat seed and corn seed when I had the other seeds. Don't know why I didn't. I mean, it's driving towards fruiting. So I guess we'll see. I mean, maybe... I mean, maybe it'll work. Maybe it will work. Star Trucker? Isn't that Starfield? Which actually I did see something that Starfield, I guess, you know, the one benefit of having it on Steam is the mods. I completely forgot about Microsoft and their mod deal. See, there was that ice that I was talking about that just forms sometimes from the door opening. Hey, Flux, what's up? They updated the beta and made this planet more difficult. Maybe.
pressure critical. Oxygen critical. Low pressure.
Then I want to turn that up. Turn the music down a bit. I'm not sure how the levels are sounding for everybody. I don't know if Steam has the workshop for it, but I know there's mods, but you can't use the mods on Starfield on the Microsoft apparently. Would imagine somebody would be able to break it somehow or whatever, but gotta save the seeds. Tons of corn seeds. Alright. So we're gonna see how that one potato does. So I'm probably not gonna change any of this yet. We'll just go with it. Definitely losing juice fast though. So I'm not really sure what to do about the power issue, because, I mean, aside from getting a... Oh, that's right. Still haven't moved this into the base to see if it will work. All right, we need I need to move that too. Not really much time for wrapping around. Do we still have... Yes, we do. How did I set this thing up? I never added the... Buddy wanted action. He's getting action now, because now it's mad time speed now. Space Heaven still looks good, but maybe too much for my... Space Heaven? Space Heaven? What's Space Heaven? Or Space Haven. Space Haven. It was like an RTS type thing or something similar. All right. All right. So what I want to do is figure out how this works. Actually, you know what? That's probably turn that on. And let's use the wrench here. And then, do I really not have any more pipes? So that's going to probably require 2 pipes. How did I run out of pipes? I knew I didn't run out of pipes. Tons of pipes. We can lay pipes for days. I would say the well, they obviously, you know, the game's not sped up since, you know, like I don't move faster. They just, yeah, the planet itself. So since, you know, now we're different distance from the planet, so yeah, they just, the rotation of us is, I guess, more accurate towards what it's supposed to be. So I need to do. Let's do a cross. No. Maybe. Where was that made at? I think it was like. Keep forgetting what it's called. Oh, that's right. Adam Smith. What the hell? What did I push? What did I push? I pushed a button. I turned on something. Wait a minute. What? M. Choose a pitch M in here. Okay. Oh, that's new. It's a new button. Mapping. I don't see M. I guess they're adding in new. I wonder how the space flying is going to work, because maybe you can go to other places other than maybe the starting points. I thought the starting points were the only places you could go to. Iron and copper. That would be interesting. Oops. Cancel. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. I still can't get over it. You pointed out that the good team from Icarus made this game. Still can't get over that. The good team of devs. I mean, it still blows my mind. No! Tube! Wrong button. Hmm. Ration. Put that there. What I'm gonna do. Let's do. Yeah, let's do a T junction. What do we need? Passive vent? Unless I should keep the pollution, I don't know. But yeah, passive vent. We do a passive vent, and then oh shit, shit. That's not what I want. Shit. Shit. No, that's right. If it'll let me. No, it won't let me. Unless I move that. We're gonna do that. Add one more. Now. Yeah, we're gonna have to do that. because of the ground. Oh no, it's because of there's nowhere to it needs to be on something, so I need to get a frame. Not going if I have one. Probably gonna have to make it. Is this enough? I remember to turn that off. There we go. Okay. Perfect. So now... let's cover this up. Make it look a little bit better. Oh, yeah, I could have used the pipe cowl. That is true. When I have one in my inventory... You're right, I could have used that. That might be better. Lucian. Oh, that's right, I gotta power it. Oh, I was taking up 2 inventory spots of those? Let's do... I guess I shouldn't have covered this up yet. But now that's not going to pull out of there unless I cycle this back in. So right now, this is going to be having... Yeah. So unless I...
Power low.
Let's just do this for now. Maybe this will work? I don't know if this will work. It will work. Now, will the... I wonder if will the pipe cowl be quicker, or is it just going to be for looks, I guess? Might just be for looks. So I'll have to just remember that, yeah, I could just do a pipe cowl. And this way, then I got a passive vent I could use. Because I think the pipe cowl, what I was going to do was... if I'll ever need the... Oh. I don't know. Looking good. Mm, looking good. Oh, gotcha. That okay? Yeah, and then that would be better. So I can get my because yeah, this isn't what I'm gonna be leaving it as, but I am gonna move this inside. Was the plan until I got into this beta, and now everything's just moving fast. Or this latest beta update. But I was going to move this inside because I'm just going to have this pipe run all the way inside. Because then this way I want to get everything hooked up to this so that when it runs, then it's putting most of that oxygen into that tank. Is the idea. But this was just to kind of get a system running, so when I'm using this, I'm not having stuff go to waste, and I'm keeping it. But right now, I also need to get some more CO2 to put into my, I guess, weed shop over there. Vents can also be touching the filtration unit. Oh. So I didn't have to add the pipe. Hey. Still not sure how the solars are not going to work in this plan, I don't think. I mean, it's still growing, so even though it's going to be... So I guess my on-off, even though the time is not correct, I don't know. I still don't get how they're having the math going for the night and day for plants, but even though these are already fully grown, I don't know if they have that mechanic in, but this is thriving. Where's my okay, no, okay, so yeah, they're starting to get a little bit messed up. So yeah, I gotta get an ICU 10 chip now or something, or put up some kind of circuitry. That might be priority. Sweet. Pause it. What was it called? IC10? Yeah. So that's from the electronics printer. I do. I don't know how to program it though, but and what I would even be putting for code. Stop. Okay, so S lamp on 0 by towel vertical 0 night light start J start, but that's not really setting for minutes. So to program this thing, yeah, what, a computer or something? Programming. Where to get the programs? Okay, so this basic knowledge about math and logic, whatever you're doing, program and MIPS. Yeah, the MIPS. Getting started with MIPS. How to flash program onto the IC chip. Set up a computer. We're gonna need the kit. Electronics printer as well. Did they just say change that so it doesn't do it? Okay, no, that still worked. Alright, so we need the computer. Insert a motherboard IC editor in it. I need a motherboard too. IC editor, motherboard. I see housing. That's where the chip's going to go in after I program it.
Hydration critical.
Wire data, green right corner. A computer in a computer.
Pressure critical. Temperature critical. Oxygen critical. Low pressure.
Shit. Yeah, that's what I was pretty much doing until they changed this beta. They updated the beta. So that's what I have. And I just had the Logic 2, yeah. A Logic reader and a Logic writer. And then I just had the daylight sensor. And I had that to this guy to trigger my 2 lights. But now they screwed me over. And I also am running out of power faster. Nine. Okay. Does the computer need to probably be on a table or something? Don't I have a table? Iron sheets. Padded wall. Maybe I don't need the table. Scrubber. Probably just put it on the ground. I must have used it. No table? Ah. Maybe I needed to have it a little further out. And not so close. The screwdriver. That would make more sense. Maybe I don't need the back end. Place. Okay, motherboard. Place IC housing. Where do you place IC housing? Sounds like you would need a little more than just this. Oh, maybe you just place it. Got it. Even though once it's placed, wire. Alright, corner straight. Let's just do it this way for now. Fix it up later. No, I didn't need a four-way. Junction. Wire data on the right port of the computer and green bottom port on. I see. Okay, so I do gotta wire up this. Let's do. I know this is messy and very messy, very messy. But trying to rush things here. We insert the chip. Turn on the computer, look at the screen, and see if the IC housing is listed, and select. Okay, so let's turn on the computer. Damn! Probably need the hookup. I guess I got too much. Integrate circuit. Okay, turn on the computer, look at the screen, see if the IC housing is listed. Yes, it is. And selected in the drop-down selector. Yeah. Okay. You can have several IC housings on the same data network in there. Okay, it's better be renaming them. Okay, so we don't need to. It's only one. Optional quick import to retrieve a program from an integrated circuit into the computer. Oh, I guess if it already had one on there. Okay. I thought maybe I could. Or do I do? Okay, whatever. Click edit to open the editor. Okay, I guess the game's paused. It seems. No, it isn't paused. Now it's paused. Right, load from library, paste your program, click confirm. So obviously I don't have anything. So now computer contains. Okay, so press F top right. Yeah. There's a lot of commands. I can't just search load. So how do we set? How about load device? How do you select? Or do I? Is that just telling me what the type so you don't select it? L? L. um. Mm. So if I wanna, so we just want to do like a simple 10 minutes on and then 3 minutes off. So, but now I would be saying, is my loading, is this chip do everything? Or do I need to be calling it to the other chips? So, like, I mean, my device would be, like, light. Or whatever they call it. Grow light. Well, I guess I'd name it myself. So I think it's going to go based off of whatever I use my labeler. Oh. Oh. Well. How do I... Alright, so we got D 0, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Actually, no, we're just going to be doing this. We don't need the grow lights. We just need the area power control grow light. So is it going to go off of this exact name? Area power control grow light? Which, like, if I just did... So, like, would it be... Yeah. Or is that not necessary? Um... Or D1. Not... What? Not. Are you? Are you doing typo? With not white? White? What? Whereas maybe I gotta have some memory chips in it. I might need to do memory chips too. Still, right? I might need to add memory chips to it. Oh, well, let's see, we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna have the chip. Instead of programming 2 lights to it, we're just gonna program this area power control box. So the area control power box, it's just an on-off switch. So we're just making a timer. We're just gonna do a timer to flip the switch. So we're gonna be having it ever alternate. So first it's gonna do, I want 10 minutes on, so it's gonna start, it's gonna flip, and then it's gonna count for 10 minutes. At 10 minutes, it'll flip off. And then start a new timer, 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, toggle on, or flip toggle, which will be called mode or something, whatever this is set for. Open for area. I guess it's going to be called open. So I guess the mode is open. So we're just going to tell it to open. Where'd my... Oh, I didn't push confirm. Unless we're changing things. Do we have to have this? Or do we have it with quotes off? But then you're saying we still gotta have the... Like this? How did... Oh, okay. So that's why you're able to copy that crap. Okay, so we're gonna bypass the power thing, you're saying, and it's just gonna turn the lights on. But now the next thing is it didn't save. Shit. Why didn't it save? Probably because I didn't do copy. Well, we're not loading the daylight anymore because of I don't want the sun. I don't want the sun doing anything. Or the sun's too fast. So see, like, I still gotta add code. I need to do a timer. For where I'm at, I have to have a timer. Like, time-based. Like, in minutes of triggering them. I can't go by the sun on this planet, because that's how I have it right now, but I can't on this planet anymore, or moon, or wherever I'm at. So that's the issue I'm running into at the moment. So I can't just do on-off with this daylight sensor. The daylight sensor's out of the question now, pretty much. I mean, if you're able to, if you know the code for what scripting is this using? MIPS, I guess, but I don't know how that works with. I don't know, but yeah, MIPS apparently. See, I mean, yeah, you can go ahead and post it right in. Should be able to post it right in the chat. I'm fine with that. But all I'm seeing is like temp instructions. I'm not seeing the code that I'm specifically looking for. Main line. Distance. Transmitter receiver. Why doesn't anybody just have like MIPS timer for on off? So registers, static memory load, peak, traversing, device ports, labels, constants, direct move, comment, debugging, and with warning MIPS. You always make the script easier to read by assigning a name to a register or a device. Example, iOS or temperature R15. Assembly name. Jump to the line with assembly name. Load batch records when the following. Store batch. Yeah, that's what I want right there. Nope. Is there... This stuff's on the workshop? What's the workshop from in here? Steam Workshop. Boy, it's not liking that. I'm gonna have to alt tab. Grow light. My simple grow light timer. There we go. That's really simple. Just sets all grow lights on the network to turn on for 3 minutes and off for 2 forever. Adjust times as you please. Times are in seconds. Yeah. All right. So if I do that, so if you subscribe. Does it work with beta? Let's do this. Damn it! Nuts. Reboot. Whenever anything fails, you just reboot the computer. That's what you do. Maybe I have to reload. Here, let's do this. Maybe I had to reload the game for some reason. Or if I just gotta reload the game, or... Yeah, let's just reload the game. Actually, while I'm at it, let's subscribe to a couple other ones just to be safe. Because maybe eventually one of these will work. Okay. Oh, wait. No, okay. That worked. They really sped up the loading. That is awesome. Okay. So let's first try this one here. Nope. Okay, that one doesn't work. That one works. So this one's not working for some reason. Okay. Pause. Created by Geneso timer by a dial for all grow lights in the network. Simple grow light timer made by me that does not use sleep. I don't know the sleep function. Uses batch function to write to all grow lights on the. How long you want to stay on? How long you want to stay off? See? So yeah, define grow light. And then alias. We're making a shortcut for seconds. Or something like that. Move set 1. Start. And seconds 1. Let's equal yield. Roll it on set. Confirm. Okay. So now where was my original instruction? Now what do I do? Confirm export, and we'll see. It looks good at the glance. Okay. I guess I need to have that on. Export. Oh, do I have to have this? I can't move this now? Or I could move this now, right? I could pick up this circuit housing and now move it somewhere in its program, right? Or how do you confirm that it's like how do you confirm that it's programmed? Confirm export. I mean, I'm guessing it. This is a programmable slot. Okay, the code's in chip. All right, so now do I have to pick this up out, or do I just? No. Come. Oh yeah. 14, 12, whatever, some bytes. Insert. On. Wait per day. Ah, shit. 8 minutes. They changed it. It's not 10. Or, well, no, you can have at least... You gotta have at least a min. I think. Light per day, 10 minutes. So it's okay to go a little bit over. That'll be fine. Correct. Though, I guess I should have did a simple... I should have done one, like... Actually, I gotta pee. What I should do is make one. Actually, can you... Actually, do you gotta have a chip in there? No. Define grow light. So it's supposed to be just doing timer, it's just a timer base. Start. And then, so it's supposed to be just doing an on-off. Without any, sensor. Without calling for a device. So it's supposed to be just math, I guess, of 10 minutes and then 3. And basically what I should do is make another chip and simplify this. Just do like... I don't know what this moves seconds and minutes like. Because that is the question, is this how long you want to stay on? Is 10 actually 10 minutes? Because here's minutes. What do they define as on time? On time is R2. Oh. That's right, I gotta hook it up to something, though. I gotta hook it up to, I need to hook up, like, D0 or something, don't I? Or no? I don't know. I gotta pee. I'll let you think about the code. If it seems... I can't show all the code, though. If it seems legit. I'll be back. If not, I can just print out another chip and put one in and just do 1 and 1, and I'll be able to see if it turns off in 1 minute and back on in 1 minute. That'll be the easiest test. Alright, be right back.